Tiny PC, massive power? TOPGRO Mini Gaming PC i9 plus GTX 1650 review. Why it's blowing up right now. Ever feel like your current rig is just holding you hostage? Like every click lags, every program stalls, and gaming feels like trying to run GTA 5 on a toaster? Yeah, we've been there, caught between overpriced full towers and underpowered laptops. The frustration hits hard: missed killshots, frozen screens, and multitasking that turns into multi-crashing. Whether you're trying to game, edit, stream, or just juggle Chrome tabs like a champ, your setup should empower you, not sabotage your momentum. You know you're capable of more, if only your PC could keep up. But the longer you wait, the worse it gets. You're burning daylight, choking under slow load times, audio lag in Warhammer 3, and that ever-growing pile of deadlines and ideas you can't even start because your PC says nah. Meanwhile, friends are thriving on slick setups while you're stuck rage restarting daily. The motivation drops, the pressure builds, and let's be honest, you're one glitch away from snapping. Why should you settle for yesterday's tech in a world running on speed, style, and serious multitasking muscle? Enough is enough. Enter the game changer, the TOPGRO Mini Gaming PC. This isn't some gimmicky shoebox, it's a full-on beast packed into a stylish, ultra-compact frame. Powered by a 9th-gen Intel Core i9-9980HK, 8 cores, 16 threads, turboed to 5.0 GHz, and paired with a dedicated GTX1650 GPU, this machine rips through multitasking, light to mid-gaming, creative work, and 4K content. The 32GB DDR4 RAM and lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD mean you're loading faster, creating smoother, and gaming harder, without the bloat. And with dual HDMI ports, Wi-Fi 6E, BT 5.3, RGB flare, and whisper quiet cooling? This thing's made for speed and style. Setup's a breeze. Looks clean. Runs like hell. Users are obsessed. One raves, worth every penny. Plays HD games perfectly. Another? Excellent compact size, looks cool and quiet, finally scratching my PC gaming itch. Parents love how easy it is to set up. Creators love the plug-and-play productivity. Gamers? They love the fluid gameplay and quick connections. You get power, portability, and performance, with a legit support team that answers within 24 hours. Ready to ditch your dusty brick of a PC and upgrade to a mini monster that actually delivers? Click into the full review and hear why it's blowing up on Amazon and Reddit alike. Don't sleep, stock moves fast. This isn't one of those wait until next Black Friday moments. If you want that i9 power, 4K dual screen potential, and ultra-compact setup that fits any desk, studio, or battle station, you need to act now. Thousands are already making the leap to smarter, faster, cooler computing. Join them. Get the edge. Say goodbye to lag, clutter, and frustration, and hello to a new era of freedom, speed, and fun. Tap that link, grab your TOPGRO Mini PC, and let's get absolutely wired.